Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to the email newsletter on Canada Airlines. First things first, you're going to head over to aircanada.com, and from here you can just scroll all the way down until you see email subscriptions, and from here you should be able to manage your your subscriptions, your newsletter subscriptions. You can start your subscription by clicking on this link and providing your email address, or you can just go ahead and log into your existing account and see or get to know more about this newsletter offer by Air Canada. Okay, so basically that's for today's video, guys, and see you in the next one.